there's three things that I want to highlight about codependency and why we struggle so much with love. First off, we don't have clarity on what it is that we really want. These are some of the things that happen. If we grew up with a narcissistic parent, we struggle with knowing our authentic selves. We struggle with trusting ourselves. And we've been so trained throughout our lives to focus on what other people want. We don't even ask ourselves that question. And when somebody asks us, well, what do you want? We don't have an answer. We don't know. We think, well, I want what you want. I want you to be happy, right? So we're disconnected from ourselves. We're not really clear on what we want in a relationship, what's important to us. We have a vague idea, but we don't know what it looks like. We don't know what those specifics are, and so it's all very nebulous in general, which can make it very open to interpretation as we're developing relationships with other people.